Information security is the hottest specialty in the IT marketplace. As high-profile security breaches make headlines, organizations around the world are scrambling to protect their information assets and stay out of the news. Hardly a day goes by that I don't hear from employers bemoaning the difficulty of finding and hiring qualified information security professionals. Even a quick glance at IT salary studies bears this out. IT security professionals are among the most highly compensated staff in any organization. The CISSP certification is the premier credential for information security professionals and the gateway to a career in information security. Serious accountants know that the CPA is their ticket to professional advancement. Physicians seeking to prove their worth become board certified. In the same way, the CISSP credential is a must-have for those serious about information security careers. Earning your CISSP credential is a professional journey. It won't happen overnight, but it also doesn't need to take years of arduous planning and preparation. The CISSP certification launched in 1994 and quickly grew alongside the then-young information security field. Sponsored by the International Information Systems Security Certification Consortium, or ISC², the CISSP now occupies an elite position among IT certification programs. Today, employers and IT professionals around the world recognize the CISSP as a premier certification program that allows candidates to demonstrate a breadth of knowledge across the 8 domains of information security: security and risk management, asset security, security engineering, communication and network security, identity and access management, security assessment and testing, security operations, and software development security. Why is the CISSP so highly regarded? Earning the credential requires a combination of passing a rigorously administered exam and demonstrating experience in at least 2 of the domains of information security. There's also a strong base of certified professionals filling the ranks of the information security profession. Over 100,000 people have CISSP certificates hanging on their walls, and they use the credential as a yardstick when assessing job candidate pools. Most people attempting the CISSP exam have some experience working in the information security field, but it's not necessarily a requirement. The important thing to understand is that no matter where you are in your security career, you can take and pass the CISSP exam. Most candidates attempting the exam do have gaps in their experience. There simply aren't many jobs that cover all 8 of these domains. If you already have 4 or 5 years of information security experience, you'll have an easier time with the certification process. Chances are that you've already built up your knowledge in a few of the domains, and you have a leg up on your studying. You'll also be ready to meet the CISSP experience requirement and move right on to certified status after passing the exam. Many people who take the CISSP exam do so in an effort to make a career change. If you're coming from another IT specialty, or even outside of the technology field, you can still take the CISSP exam. You might need to do a little more preparation than currently practicing information security professionals, but many people who came before you took and passed the exam without any experience. If you're a newcomer to the field, you won't immediately qualify for certification after passing the exam because you don't meet the 5-year experience requirement. While you're waiting, ISC² will award you the Associate of ISC² designation. Employers will know that you have the knowledge base required to succeed in information security, and you'll stand out from the pack of job applicants. You'll then have 6 years to log the required experience and upgrade your certification to full CISSP status. Excited? You should be. You're about to begin one of the most important journeys of your professional career. The CISSP credential will be your stepping stone to a successful career in an exciting, rewarding field.